Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akbar Wijaya and I'm a lecturer from Universitas. In this session, I will present my research about analysis of student learning media needs in object-based programming. The object the object-based programming course is to provide a solid foundation for students to understand modern programming concepts that focus on objects and classes. The student often face challenges when learning object-oriented programming due to its complexity and abstract nature. This research aims to explore the needs of students on learning media in object-based programming. This research used a qualitative approach with a case study method. This research was conducted at the University of Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo on students of the Information Technology Education Study Program who were taking object-based programming course. The data collection techniques used by research are interview, observation, documentation, and triangulation. The data, as we can see in this picture, we can see the flow of there. We have data collection, data presentation, data reduction, and conclusion drawing. The purpose in this research and the research and discussion in this research, we have the interview in the study was to find out the learning media that student needs in object-oriented programming. The list of interview questions related to needs in learning media are: what gadget do you prefer to use to learn programming? Do you need the help of learning media to learn? In the third question is, how do you like to learn programming subjects? The fourth question are, what are your preferences in learning media selection? And the last is, what element of learning media for programming do you need? The first focus question about the preference for using gadgets in learning programming. Students like learning with laptops because they find that laptops or PC have a larger layer feature that makes it easier for them to read lines of code that consist of a lot of text. This finding is in line with Patel research in 2021, which state that laptops are the main choice for students to learn programming. In addition, as Asaka in 2020 in his research, 2012 in his research, state that students prefer to use laptop for programming lectures due to increased motivation, interactivity, and speed control. Research of interview on the second focus question about learning program that asked to the interviewer about, do you need the help of learning media to learn? 6 students state that they need help of learning media in learning programming, and only one student said that they didn't need learning media because these students could find learning resource or materials from the internet. The findings state that majority of the students need the help of learning media in learning programming. This finding is in line with Huta Barat research in 2011, which states that the use of interactive learning media increase the effectiveness of programming learning by visualizing abstract concepts and involving students in the process. And the result of the third focus question regarding how students' learning preference in learning programming, all students say that they prefer reading in learning programming. This means that the reading method is the preferred method for students in accessing learning resource for programming competence. This finding is in line with Lopez Pernas research in 2021, which found that students prefer reading slides to searching, copying, and pasting when learning programming. Videos are consumed less, and forums are used when struggling in accordance with the research. Research of the third focus question about what are students' preference in selection of learning media. In this research, we found that all students said that, that they prefer modules as learning media to help them learning programming. Digital modules are the student's choice. This is because students preferring access learning media using a PC or laptops. This finding is in line with Hasana research, which states that student needs e-module in object-based programming course. Research of the fourth question regarding what elements in the programming learning media student needs. All students state that they need text element in the learning media. In addition to text, some students also need image elements to be able to learn programming well. This shows that in learning programming, students need text and image element in their learning media. Caspol in his research also found that students benefit from visualizing objects in programming environment to reduce complexity, indicating that element of text and image aid in learning object-oriented programming. In this research, we can draw few conclusion. The first conclusion is student in choosing gadgets to learn object-oriented program prefer to use PCs or laptops in learning object-oriented program. Students feel that they need learning media to be able to learn programming well, and all students find that they prefer to read in learning and accessing material in object-oriented program. All students feel that they need e-modules as their choice of learning media in object-oriented programming course. In addition, all students felt that they need text and image and they need text and image element in learning media they want. Based on these findings, student needs learning media in the form of e-modules that have elements of text and image as a tool for them to learn object-oriented programming course. Thank you for the chance for me to present my report student needs in learning media in object-oriented program. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi